I'm trying to explain you here the home remedies for menstrual issues. First, let us discuss about natural lifestyle. Eating on time, do not eat before taking bath. Number one, the rest is mandatory during menstruation period. Walking around in hot weather is not allowed, and consuming more copper pot water. Okay, whatever the water is stored in the copper, please use that water. It's better not to use tight nylon cloths, pant and shirt. Okay, instead of soap, gram flour should be used for bathing. Okay, these are the natural lifestyle, my dear friends. Now let's see some of the home remedies, what we can do in the house in order to regularize your periods, in order to regularize your menstruation cycle, all that, irregular periods. So first thing is what you can do, consuming tulsi kashaya in the morning to relieve the menstrual problems in the, you can do this. And also on the empty stomach, so there's one more kashaya you can make, 1 cup of water, 5 neem leaves, especially half spoon of turmeric powder. So all these things, 5 days you can take, but neem leaves must be crushed. That means you can make a paste. You can make a paste and add it into water. Then this 1 half spoon of turmeric, and then like this, 5 days of your menstrual period, please take this so that it takes care of all your menstrual problem, menstrual pains and all these things. It will take care, my dear friends. And also the fatigue during this menses, then consume. Suppose if you are having a lot of fatigue during the menstruation period, so what you have to do, 1 glass of A2 cow milk, 1 spoon of honey, half spoon, the 1/4 spoon of the nutmeg powder. So if you do this, then your fatigue will be, that is lot of tiredness on, everything will be removed. If some ladies are getting hair grown on the face, so then what you have to do, kasturi turmeric mixed with the cow's urine on the face during day and night while sleeping, and wash it off with the gram flour in the morning, my dear friends. So this is how you can just avoid that growing the hair on the face of the woman. Okay, so this is kasturi turmeric is available in the Vanapasti, that is Ayurveda stores, my dear friends. And also Sanvi oil massage should be done once in a week. Once in a week you can use Sanvi oil massage, especially body massage. Okay, all this treatment you can continue till your disease is cured, my dear friends. These are some of the home remedies which always you can do. And there is one more home remedy you can also try, that is papaya. Friends, take the raw papaya. Okay, take the raw papaya. So then what you can do, raw papaya, you cut into pieces, make a salad. Otherwise, the raw papaya, you can make it as a curry. You can make it as a vegetable curry and eat it. Okay, so like a vegetable curry you can make and eat. So that's also going to solve your menstruation problem. That is using raw papaya, not the ripened. Okay, it is unripened papaya. Okay, that's very, very good. And so along with that, of course, so then what you have to do is doing meditation, more and more meditation, and as well doing pranayama, doing yogasanas, doing the walking and yogasanas and pranayama and meditation. This is also very, very essential in order to come out of the hormonal imbalance, my dear friends. Then once hormonal imbalance is gone, your menstruation cycle becomes normal.